Hey, do you like shooting guns? Do you like smoking weed? Well, I've got good news for you. Stick around after the break. I'll tell you how a new ruling from a federal judge might help you smoke weed and shoot guns. A federal judge recently ruled that a federal law barring marijuana users from owning a gun is unconstitutional. Jared Michael Harrison was arrested in August for violating a federal law that makes it illegal for unlawful users or addicts of controlled substances to own a firearm. His lawyers argued that that portion of federal firearms law focused on drug users and addicts was not consistent with the nation's historical tradition of firearm regulation. And here's what's funny about this is the people on the left that want to take away the guns, they have set stricter and stricter rules to make sure that people can't get access to guns. Not in the means of being safe for the constituents, but just to prevent lawful gun owners from having guns. By doing so, they've opened up challenges that have gone to a Supreme Court that is far more friendly to the Second Amendment than in previous generations. So now the federal law is changing in a way that the left is probably a little unhappy with. If you lived in the 80s and you listened to Nancy Reagan,
just say no to drugs,
then this doesn't apply to you. Recently, I was teaching a class and there was a woman, she was probably in her 80s. I mentioned that on the Form 4473, there's a section that covers people who use marijuana because it's still federally illegal, even if you have a prescription. And I told her that the federal government considers an addict to be someone who uses the marijuana 12 times or more in a year. And she got very upset and she loudly proclaimed in front of the class, "I am not an addict. I only use marijuana every day to go to sleep."
Damn!
I don't even think Snoop Dogg uses it that much. But the point is, by opening up this can of worms, the left has now kind of broken down that last barrier to making marijuana federally legal. One of the things that I've heard from a circle of people in government who are both Republicans and Democrats is one of the reasons that it's still illegal on a federal level is because it prevents people from owning guns. So here we are. Now, if you smoke and you shoot, it's going to be legal. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, do me a favor before you spark up.
Like and